In the club, I'm with the pros, we bout to turn this city up. That little bit, he won't get close to me, I got my blinky talk. He want smoke with all the bros, I might just get him for a buck. I might go cop for GLE, but you know I want that black trunk. I got hoes up in the back, this skinny bitch, she got the gat. She just rolling up her wheel, I told her pat me that little pat.
Yo YouTube, I'm back with another video, and today, me and some of my teammates going bowling, so I'm gonna be showing that vlog. They were supposed to be joining Crumbl Cookie too, so that's gonna be in the vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video, and yeah, watch the whole video. Peace out. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
It's gonna be Tia's first time bowling with regular bowling ball, so let's see if she know how to bowl. Hey, just know I'm beating everybody in the car. So y'all wanna put hey, let's put some cookies on it. That's bet, bro.
I'm gonna get 3 strikes.
3? Alright, how many strikes you think you gonna get?
2 maybe.
Shrook? How many strikes?
I don't know.
2?
Yeah, I would say 2, but definitely at least 1.
Alright, bet. We're gonna see when we get to the
How many
bowling
strikes?
now.
How many strikes?
Hey, I'm getting 5 strikes. I'm getting 5 strikes.
Y'all gotta do a TikTok, be like, how many strikes?
Oh yeah. Hey, come on, Shrew, y'all lock in. How you feel? How you feel?
I feel great. Guys, I'm winning. I'm in the
By 1 point. By 1 point. It's okay, Shrew. You walk away like that. Let's go, Tia. You got this. Let's get some points on the board. Let's get some points on the board. Hey, straight down the middle. You got some points. There we go. Hey, 2 people. God. Two people got 2 strikes right now. Me and Shoot got strikes. It's getting better. It's getting better.
They didn't go in the gutter.
Facts. Let's go, Sig. Hey! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, bet. See if she picked this up, bro. You got it. You got it. Hey, can't even see that, bro. But I won the first game. Yeah, he got it better anyway. Let's see what Tia do.
Camera shot.
Hey, what you were saying? What you were saying?
This is where documentary my comeback. I was down, but now I'm up.
She's still not up. Sure, you got something to say to the camera?
Watch this guy.
All right, bet. Let's see. Uh-oh. Did she actually get it? Ah! Okay, you can pick this up, though. You can pick this up.
Every time you record, though, I get a strike next time.
Let's see. Let's see. I need to get the move so I can see my score. See? That's what I was trying to tell Shook to do.
Right, I like 180 on 32.
Oh shoot. Hey, it's 217 to 210, bro. She came back, but it don't matter.
Like I said,
Tia got? Let's see.
Let's go, Tia. Boy, bring it back. Yeah, okay.
So bad. Hey, I don't even know if I'm good.
Yeah, this one?
Like, it might get copyrighted. Alright, let's see.
Joseph, you are ready, Joseph?
But the whole video. It's okay though. Cause I'm gonna like put the Crumbl cookie in here too, so. Dang.
Hey, touch the camera, touch the camera.
Where's Silk at? Oh, here you go.
Yeah, but no camera.
No, we got the camera on you.
Gotta have the camera, gotta have the spotlight. Gotta make the spotlight see.
Okay. Strike. 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 Yeah. Yo, chat, we finished bowling. Of course, I won. You know what I'm saying? I beat all of them. Hey, yeah. Now we finna go to Crumbl cookie. Hey, I know that TikTok sound? The Crumbl cookie theme song? Or not? I'm gonna show it to y'all. But yeah. Shoot. How's it feel to be a loser? Alright, I'm gonna come back when we get the Crumbl, bro. Peace out.
I didn't get the little thing that cuts him up in force.
Because it costs like $5.
So for real.
Yeah.
2 chocolate chips,
Mm-hmm. I got one for tomorrow.
cornbread, and they got all of them. Alright, let me see if my camera was set up. Alright, chat. We got our Crumbl, and we're gonna taste it. So I guess y'all can taste yours. Whoever got cornbread. She only got cornbread.
Hey, alright.
Sing that?
I didn't get cornbread, chat.
Me either.
Shook, do you like it?
Mm-hmm. Out of 10, what is it? I think it's falling. I think 7.
Okay, I think it's
7? Okay.
Yeah, it's not the best one, but
Yeah. What about you, Ty?
I give it a 5.
Oh,
Yeah, like,
is your own rejecting this stuff?
Alright, I want to try the cookie dough one. Okay. You want a piece or no? No. I don't know how to break this junk. Let me see what. Y'all ain't gonna cap?
That's good.
What y'all rate it?
8.
Yeah, I give it like an 8. 8.5.
I'd say like a 7.
7? I like cookie dough though, so like. Facts. What's next? Oh, shit. I did a brownie.
But
Going too fast. My bad. That boy came out in his pajamas. What is this? A double? What was it?
we're doing brownie? I have no
Yeah.
idea what this
It's a fat brownie.
Reminds me just dropped.
You want a piece of this? Is that-
Oh my god, that was really good.
Oh, she loved chocolate though, so like.
He's a chocolate addict.
That's an 11 out of 10. Bro.
Nothing, okay?
His eyes got big.
Yo, ain't gonna cap. It is good. It's soft too. I thought it was gonna be hard. Ain't gonna cap. What y'all
I wish
got?
I got 2 of those, bro.
Yeah, what
What
y'all
do you rate
rating?
it?
That's a 10.
10?
That's a
10?
10? No, 11, bro.
I give it a 9. I ain't gonna cap. It's mad chocolate and I got nothing to drink. Oh, she don't like the peanut butter one. Y'all got the peanut butter one?
Yeah.
Man, we
They're
try
all of them, bro. They're just waiting down
Wait.
here to tell me what to eat.
Try the blueberry one. I need a break. I need a break.
We also need a break. Not the pause, bro. I can go to 5 Guys, get some
something to drink for cheap.
But Five Guys is expensive. Like they burger ginger, expensive.
It's still hot. Yes,
We almost
it is
done.
hot. Here, I'll turn it on. Put the windows down.
Facts, we're almost done anyway.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Oh, you have
Oh, my bad.
How cute, yeah. I was gonna let you grab it, but I'm like, your hands are gonna be all like this. Yeah. Okay. A little music intermission for a second.
Facts.
Does anybody else need a napkin? Thank you.
So your one cookie was made.
You wanna try the
Yeah, be quiet.
we haven't even tried it yet.
I know I'm waiting.
The blueberry. Okay, blueberry.
They trying blueberry chat. I
Hey,
didn't get
Saruke,
blueberry.
lock in, Saruke. You gotta lock in.
No, Shrieken's done.
I don't eat blueberry.
Yeah,
so.
she's like 3 bites. She's good.
Oh, she likes it.
It's good.
Tastes like a blueberry muffin.
Yeah, but it tastes like
They say it tastes like a blueberry muffin.
So just
Sugar,
get
you
a
out the
Yeah.
game? You out the game, Sugar?
True,
You
she
got,
can't
like-
find it.
it's good. It's nothing special. So.
Nothing special.
Yeah.
So what would you rate out of 10? 6?
Yeah, like it's good.
Meh.
Okay, they give it like a 6 or 5.
I'm so dead,
6
bro.
bucks.
Let me know when y'all ready. I'm waiting on y'all.
Yeah. Which one?
The peanut butter.
Peanut butter. Okay.
But my mouth gonna be dry.
Y'all with these Reese's Pieces.
It's Butterfinger, not Reese's Pieces.
For real?
Oh,
It's not
I
Reese's
see it, I
Pieces.
see
It's Reese's
I'm
Pieces.
I always said it like that. Like, I've always said it like that. Reese's Pieces.
And on top, that might be one of my favorites, bro. But I like peanut
Over
butter.
the brownie?
It's good, but
Yes.
the brownie's way better. Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Mm-mm.
Y'all
That's
still
a
10.
brownie.
10. 2 out of 10.
Oh, not a 10.
I like peanut butter though, so
I would say 7.
go ahead, try the chocolate chip.
She got
Chocolate
them
chip.
Chocolate chip. She knows
Well,
those
this one's
chocolate chips is
actually-
good.
It's actually
Well,
it's
It is
bad.
good.
Regular chocolate chip.
Oh, shoot.
Give me a baby.
It's not regular. It's salted.
A baby.
Oh, salted. Oh, yeah. It tastes the salt. You can't go wrong with a chocolate chip cookie though.
It's mad good, bro.
You tasted it? You like it?
That's a good chocolate chip.
Mm-hmm. That's a 9, bro.
Oh, yeah, that's a 9.
Look at out
I'm
there.
done.
Y'all try all of them?
Yes, I'm gonna. Okay. So,
You're supposed to be the dessert legend, bro. What happened?
okay, we have a rating.
Fact.
Yeah.
Overall, what's the rating
Overall.
overall?
Move it closer.
Wait, remember,
You got you.
I'm gonna rate him. So, this is the winner.
The brownie.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate chip second.
Mm-hmm.
And this one third.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth.
Mm-hmm. Tied for
Yeah,
last.
tied. Tied for the last one.
So, if you take a look at my box, I got the top 3 picks right there. So, I just know
No.
what's going on.
Look at my box. Hold on. Let me flip my camera. Look at my box. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Brownie's last, bro.
Look at my max. Man!
Shoot, what you think? Good? You like this, Shoot?
Yeah.
Okay, so your first time trying Crumbl? You will try it again?
I will.
You will try it again, Shoot?
Yes, I will.
After the game on Tuesday, maybe we can convince them to take us over here. Because there'll be new cookies.
Ain't gonna lie, bro. Crumbl is canceled.
Let's pick cornbread. Alright, chat. That's the end of our Crumbl review.
Looky, looky, looky. It's Crumbl cookie.
Crumbl cookie.
Why?